Presenting a pre-owned 2020 Ford F-150 Platinum. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter V8 engine with 4-wheel drive and a 10-speed shiftable A transmission. This Ford has less than 166,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, air filtration, front air conditioning, power steering, power windows, digital odometer, external temperature display, tow hooks, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, stability control, and traction control.
Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.